Our next speaker began his career actually as a nurse, as a registered nurse at the bedside giving care, and is now the president and CEO of Adventist Health. He is very passionate about our mission and providing access to quality care in smaller communities. Please help me in welcoming the Adventist CEO and President, Scott Reiner.
Thank you, Rick. This is a very incredible and important day for the community of Willits. And I want to let you know right now the privilege it is to be here. You know, I get a chance to see a lot of hospitals across the West Coast, and a lot of, actually, in Adventist Health, smaller hospitals. But I want this community to know, before I even mention a few notes here, how incredibly talented, visionary, and driven this community of physician leaders, business leaders, foundation has about the health care they want for this community. It's truly extraordinary, and I would say a bit unusual on the positive side. It's just, you don't see it every day, and I just want this community to know that. You know, the story of Frank R. Howard, as we've talked about it, and you know that, and we're talking a little bit more about it today, his history is rich. It's fascinating, it's inspiring. But I want to tell you just a little bit about what Rick was mentioning, and that's about quality of care, service given to this community. And we've mentioned that here, but just to let you know, these things we look at, and it's very impressive. Howard Memorial Hospital is one of the top 10% in the country in quality. Top 10% in patient experience, those who experience, and you're only going to have that great feeling even more so when you come into this new environment. From CMS, Medicare, 5-star rating, not often seen in hospitals this size. Centers of Excellence in Orthopedic Surgery, Dr. Bowen and your team. So I want to thank you personally. And Dr. Bowen and I know that is a rare thing to do in a hospital this size, and I want to thank you and what you have done for what this organization is today. So thank you, Dr. Bowen. So how is it that organization this small have this many talented people with this kind of quality and this kind of service? And I would say it is the tenacity, passion, and energy this community has, its business leaders, its physicians, its staff, about wanting to do what's right for this community in healthcare. I also want to thank Margie and Jan and the Howard Foundation for having a very determined and, as you know, Margie, right, very determined vision about what is going to happen here. And I've had the privilege of many meetings and conversations about how this could come together. And I can tell you this, while my expectations were high, this has exceeded them. And I'm so proud of it. What I want to leave you with is, on behalf of Adventist Health, of our 20 hospitals across 4 states, our board of directors, our membership that comprised the funding that was allowed to happen here for this community, it is our privilege, not just something that we absolutely wanted to do, because we believe in serving small communities and large communities, but definitely small communities. So on behalf of that, I want to congratulate this community for this brand new hospital. Thank you.